Well, at least I made this class before they buffed the CBJ, and it was bad then. That's actually slightly better now. I've still got quick draw, so...
Fuck,
Hey, train, come ride in the train with me. Ride in the train with me.
Okay,
Everyone just ride in the
I'm
train.
going.
we still need to get the win.
Pain Train blue.
We'll get it. We'll just
I'm
kill
trying
the
to
people
catch up.
We can actually get
train whistle.
Choo choo! Oh, wait.
That's so bad.
That was not good.
Everybody hop on the
What?
trolley. We're coming back.
You walked
Stewie, where are
straight
you?
fucking past it.
Ah! Holy shit, I'm on top of the train! Holy shit! Oh my god.
You're on top? Come on, Wes.
Dude, it's like the Austin Powers scene.
Hop in.
Like the Austin Powers
Where
scene.
did you get that?
Everyone just stay near the trolley. Just like stay near the trolley, then come to
Everyone
us.
gets
Oh,
on it.
I
Everyone
got
get
this
on
in
it.
here.
Can't fit in.
Oh, oh man,
Oh shit, I died.
I'm like prone blocked in this thing.
Fucking move, t-shirt. Thank you.
Ah!
I need a whistle. Wait, I wonder
Pick up the tag as we go by.
Oh, come on, hop
Coming.
in. Who's the last person?
me.
Excellent.
I don't want to tell other people, tangle on them, especially if we're getting close to getting kill confirmed. They're kind of wasting time, but I don't care actually.
Or does
Who
or
gets
someone
shot
else-
from?
Doesn't.
What is that
I don't know what's
game
happening. Oh, we all died.
Everyone fucking died.
Oh wow!
Oh,
Oh!
no. Too bad